Street. It has been an earnings heavy day today, and so far, at least in my list, HCL Tech was better than expected. HDFC Bank was strong set of numbers, but not so much coming in from the telecom space because Bharti Airtel reported weak third quarter numbers, and the India performance of the company was hit hard due to the combined impact of free Jio services, the big competition, and demonetization as well. While voice pricing has been lower during the quarter, volumes have also been weak for the company. Our in-house telecom expert Reema is right here to take us through the analysis. Reema.
We were expecting a subdued quarter from the telcos, but this has turned out to be even weaker than what the street was anticipating. So clearly, the performance has been hit hard on account of the combined impact of the full quarter impact of the free Jio services, and secondly, because of demonetization. If you look at the India business, while yes, there has been a pickup in the volume growth, but it's come in at the expense of huge pricing pressure. Again, the Jio impact. Voice pricing has seen a fall of 9.2% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, and I think the last time we would have seen such a steep fall in pricing would have been in FY10 when we had that per second billing. On the India data front, it's been a howler. The data volumes have contracted on a quarter-on-quarter basis, probably for the first time ever. Data pricing falls by 10% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, again for the second time in a row. Africa performance has been fairly stable. So that's a summary. Quickly to run you through the numbers, consolidated revenues are down 5.3%. Margins have come down by 160 basis points. The absolute EBITDA is lower by close to about 900 crore, and that straight away flows through into the profits. So profits have come down to 500 crore versus 1460 crore. On the India business, their revenues are down 6% and margins have come in at 38%, and these would be the lowest margins that we've seen since Q4 of FY15 at the India level. As we highlighted in the India business, there was a pickup in volumes. So for instance, the voice volume growth improved to 5.4% versus say an 8-quarter average of 2.5% to 3%. But it's come at the expense of pricing. Pricing is down 9%, and that has dragged the average revenue per user lower by 8.5%. On data, both the volumes as well as the pricing has been hit. On Africa, the performance is actually fairly stable. Revenues have gone up by nearly 1%, while Africa margins continue to improve, in fact, for the 5th straight quarter, and now at 24.2%. But on the whole, a weak quarter expected, but this has turned out to be weaker than what the street was anticipating.